Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install the Eurotunnel app. So let's get started. So here we can see here I have the Google and Play Store. So to uninstall, you have to follow these steps. So the first of all, you will have to go to Google, and right here you can see there's a search option called apps and search. From there, you have to click on this. Okay. So after that, you will just click on Eurotunnel app. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the Euro trains and Eurotunnel. So they are the same. You have to click on Eurostar trains. So from here you can install it and track for your train. So if you want the same app, whichever you are seeing for, then you have to open your Google and write for the app name. Okay, then you can see the app. Okay, so from here just here you can see. So here it is the La Sutle. So it is the Eurotrains app. So here we can just install it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.